What's going on, guys? Let's talk about AMD. Let's see if this is a potential buy zone here, or should we hang on a little bit longer and see if we can get the stock price down a little bit longer, a little bit lower, excuse me, for that longer term kind of portfolio add. Okay, so obviously coming off of highs 164.46, currently trading today at $77.99 at the close, down another 3.5%. This stock is down about 6, 7, 8% already this week. So we are still below macro levels of demand, losing them like a hot knife cutting through butter. What I do want to say here, the only reason we didn't go any lower today, we got this Bollinger Band here, as well as the 200 EMA. Could we see a little bit of a short-term bounce on AMD? It's entirely possible. And when I mean bounce, I mean just not putting in a new low. So we could stay in a range between 75 and around $82. Okay. Now, do I really want to buy there? And do I want to trade that long? No. What I want to do is I want this to lose the 200 EMA, not only for a day trading, for a day trading look, but I want it lower to continue to add for a longer term portfolio. AMD, Nvidia, these are stocks that I'm definitely going to be adding to a long term portfolio. I've already started to kind of DCA into AMD, but I want it lower. What do I want it at? Something with the 6 in front of it. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. I will be a buyer of AMD very, very heavily in the 60s. That 60 is going to be the weekly. This is not a daily chart you're looking at. This is a weekly time frame. Each one of these candlesticks represents one week's worth of price action in this body. So what we're looking at here, if we do start to crack below that $74.50, this will see a price of 60s. This for me is going to be the ultimate loading zone. Does that mean we're not going to go lower? Nah, I'm not saying that, but I think anywhere in between these lines here, okay? So like they used to tell you in school, just kind of paint between the lines. Anything between $60 and $70 I want in, and I want in now, okay? As far as looking to day trade, I want it to break the 200 EMA on the weekly. If I kind of just look at the daily chart here, it's below every single level of supply. That 76.51 is absolute low here. I really don't have any supports here on the daily time frame, going back the last 365 days. So that's why I'm using the weekly time frame to kind of give us a bigger and better perspective. If I actually pull up the monthly candlesticks here, we can see these monthly candlesticks. Looks like we're going to be coming into the 50 EMA at $72.38. I believe if we get down here into the $70 to $72 range, we kind of bounce, probably chop around. And before this year is over, before 2022 is over, we will be in the 60s. In the 60s, I am a buyer all day long on AMD. Just kind of giving you guys an idea for a potential longer term hold, 18, 24, 36 months hold on this. Obviously for day trading, we've got a little bit room down here into the $72 range, and then expect a little bit of bounce, and we can go to a smaller time frame and kind of play it long on a day-to-day basis. You guys know how we do it. If you guys follow me, you guys are in my Discord with Evolution Traders, you guys know we have a strategy to trade both long, short, doesn't really matter. That's how we kind of put food on our tables each and every single day. But I know a lot of you guys out there like to buy and hold things, and you're kind of wondering, when is the pain going to end? I think somewhere in the 60s. Okay, I think we're about 60-75% done with this bear market. Doesn't mean that it's going to kind of kick out of this in the next 30-60 days. I think that we probably really don't start coming out of this until 2023. But let's just kind of see what happens. Anyways, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord, become a lifetime member at evolutiontraders.com if you guys would like to learn how to day trade. Hook you guys up, get you guys all taken care of there. Very, very active in the Discord community. So I'll see you guys all there.